Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Doctor's advice. What are the benefits of almonds for human health? Nuts take pride of place in the diet, because they are a source of many vitamins, antioxidants and other valuable substances. Experts advise paying special attention to almonds. When consumed daily, the researchers say, almonds have a beneficial effect on the functioning of the brain, digestive system and overall health. It is rich in iron, normalizes the nervous system, vitamin E, prevents aging, magnesium, improves brain function, and other elements that contribute to the proper functioning of the body. But besides this, scientists called its amazing properties. It turned out that almonds quickly and effectively fight flatulence, bloating. The fact is that this nut contains a lot of protein, dietary fiber, potassium, which are indispensable in the treatment of all sorts of eating disorders. Also, almonds contain unsaturated fatty acids, which reduce the level of bad cholesterol in the body, protecting the cardiovascular system from the development of many diseases. Together with fiber, these acids regulate blood glucose levels, preventing the development of type 2 diabetes. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.